Hello everyone, welcome in Cool IT Help. In this video tutorial we will see how to load multiple Fxml on single stage. With the help of example I will show you everything here. So guys, let's get started. Right now I have prepared one example, so I am going to run it first. So guys, this is the stage and here I have taken 5 buttons. On the button click we will display a corresponding screen. So the same scenario you can use in your application as well. So how I have implemented this thing I will describe you. So this is our stage and we have a button on it. So every button corresponds to a one screen. So that screen will be loaded on right hand side. Okay, in this portion. Okay. So I just clicked on the first button, so first screen is loaded. Now I just clicked on the second button, so second screen is loaded. In the similar way, we will click on the screen 3, 4 and 5 button. So the corresponding screen will be loaded. But right now I have not coded for that. So in this example, when I will move inside the coding part, so I will show you how to connect these buttons. Okay. And you can load these screens, corresponding screens on the right hand side. So guys, I'm closing this stage right now and I will first show you the base concept behind the scene. So we are going to check what is the base concept. So with the help of a simple diagram I will describe you. So this is the base concept. Actually we have one stage. This is the parent stage and inside we have just added one border pane because border pane have a multiple section, left, top, right, bottom and center. So we are using this border pane here, and on the left hand side we have added one V box because we have to create a menu like structure. So we have used the V box, then we have added some buttons here. Or you can see on the click of these buttons, new Fxml will be loaded on the right hand side. So the border pane has a center portion. So in the center portion, we are going to load the new Fxml. I hope this is clear to you. This is very simple. And now we are going inside the NetBeans IDE. There I will describe you the code. So right now we are inside the NetBeans IDE. Here is the project. Guys, this is very simple project. I have created the project with the with Fxml. So initially you will get 3 files, one Fxml, one controller and one main method class. Okay, so we will see everything step by step. So first I will show you the Fxml. So I have already opened Fxml here in the scene builder. You can see the structure. We have the base pane, which is anchor pane, and we have added a border pane on it to prepare the menu structure on the for the left hand side. So in the border pane we have left section, top section, bottom section, right section and middle section. Okay, so here in this border pane we have assigned a fx ID to this one because we will use this object reference in the controller file. Okay guys, on the left hand side we have added one VBox. So right now VBox placed inside the left portion of this border pane. You can see I have expanded it and there are 5 buttons inside the VBox: button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4 and button 5. We have added these buttons because on the click of these buttons we will load the Fxml on right hand side. Also for the arrangement of these buttons I have set the margin, so these are displaying like this. Okay guys, and this is the center portion. When we will click any of these buttons, so the new Fxml will be loaded inside this center portion of the border pane. So this is the basic idea. Also we have a action handler for these button click action. So I have prepared the two action handler for button 1 and 2. So first one, handle button 1 action, and second button action method is handle button 2 action method. Okay, for the 3, 4 and 5th button we have not created right now. So when I will move inside the controller, then I will create and I will show you that time. Okay guys, just I'm going to minimize it and we are going inside the controller file. Okay, now coming back to here in this project. So the essential thing are the Fxml. We have created the 5 Fxml. These are the different Fxml for the demonstration purpose. Let me open the one of them. So I copied the path. Now going here, just click on the open and paste it here. So the screen1.fxml is open. So in the similar way, I have created the second Fxml, third, 4 and 5th. So guys, this is the 5th screen. So I have given the name: first screen, second screen, third screen, 4th screen, 5th screen, this way. Okay, on the button click, so the corresponding screen will be loaded on the right hand side. So this is the thing that we are going to do. And one more important thing that we have created for the implementation is the class Fxml loader.java. We have created this class because we have written the logic inside it. Get page. Every time when you want to set something inside the pan, you have to call this method. So we have this Fxml loader class, and inside this we have one method get page that is returning the pan object. Okay, and we have one reference variable pan type. Okay, you can see at line number 18. And this get page method is taking one parameter, which is file name. If you want to load any screen, so you have to give the Fxml file name like screen 1, screen 2, screen 3 and screen 4. So here in the line number 25, this is very simple. We simply are getting the resource with the help of get resource method, passing the file name and appending the extension .fxml. Then we are getting the file URL. Okay, so we are obtaining the URL class object. Once we got it, we will use this way. We will call the load method of Fxml loader class, and then we will pass the object of URL class here. So this thing is happening here in the line number 30. So load method will return the object of type pan, and once we got this pan object, we will return it. Okay, so this is very simple, no more complexity here. So every time you have to set a screen, you have to pass the name of the screen. Suppose I want to load the screen 3, so I will pass screen 3, and then I will append the extension Fxml, so the corresponding Fxml will be loaded and the pan object will be returned, because we have loaded that Fxml inside the pan. Okay, and then we will set this pan inside the border pan. Okay, now we are going inside the controller file. Here we have written the logic. So this is the fx id of the border pan that we have given in the Fxml. and this is the first button action handler method that is associated with the first button. Let me show you. This is the first button. Now come here, you can see this is the action handler. Okay, so once you click on the button 1, these lines of code will be executed. So here the code is very easy. We have just created the object of Fxml loader. With the help of that object, we have just called the method getPage, and we are passing the name of the screen. Like we have a screen1.fxml, so we have made an arrangement like we have given the name of our screen like this: screen 1, screen 2, screen 3, screen 4, and screen 5. So we are trying to load, so we have just passed the name of screen 1, and once the screen is loaded inside the pen, with the help of pan object, we will set that pan object here inside the border pen center portion. So see the line number 34, main pan dot set center view. So we have just set the view. The similar way we have done the activity for the button 2 click action, and we are trying to load the screen 2. Now I'm going to do the coding for the screen 3, 4, and 5 in a similar way. Okay, so we have to just copy the same action handler method, and I will do some changes, like I have renamed it for the button 3, and on this button click action we have to load the screen 3. So we have just passed the name of that screen 3 inside the getPage method. Okay, now come back here in the Fxml, and we have to associate the action handler method here, handle button 3 action. Okay, so button 3 is ready now. So we will do the same activity for the button 4 and 5th. And now here we change the screen name. Okay, this is for the 5th screen, and now it is set. Okay, one thing is pending. We have to associate this action handle with the button in the scene builder. Okay, now for the 5th we have to do the same. Okay, now all these buttons are ready, and these are connected with corresponding action handler methods. Now we are good to go. I hope this concept is clear to you guys. So these are 5 Fxml files inside the project. Now I'm going to do a clean build because we have done lots of changes here. Okay, everything is fine till now, and we are going to launch this. Just select the file which has a start method, do the right click and run file, and here we are. This is our stage. Now we will test our application. So the first screen button is ready to go. So I just clicked on the screen 2. So screen 2 is loaded successfully here in the center. Okay, I just clicked on the screen 3. Screen 3 is also loaded. Wow. Screen 4 is also loaded. Awesome. Screen 5 also working. So you can randomly switch between the screens this way. Everything is working perfectly. So guys, this is the way you can work with the multiple Fxml, and you can load these multiple Fxmls one by one in a single stage. So I hope you found this video useful, and all these concepts are clear to you. If you have any doubts, please comment. I will try my best to reply as soon as possible. And guys, please like this video and share with your friends as well. And please subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so you will get the latest video updates on time. And guys, for now, thanks for watching. Cool IT Help.